Newcastle County Airport in Wilmington, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 88 degrees, the dew point 74 degrees, and the relative humidity 63%, producing a heat index of 96. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.86 inches and falling. Here are some conditions across East.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware until 5:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds to 40 knots, located 17 nautical miles southwest of Reedy Point, moving east to 20 knots. Locations impacted include Sea Breeze, Woodland Beach, Reedy Point, Cross Ledge Light, Pupatch Island, Myanmar Light, Ship John Shoal Light, and Stony Point.
At 3 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling.